Hello everyone. In this video, we'll implement a function called a factorial function in order to compute factorial of the given number. Okay, so let's implement. Let me first define the name of the function as a factorial function, and it is taking parameter as n. Okay, let's implement this function first. Initially, I'll consider f is equal to 1. Now I will iterate the end loop. Okay, with the help of for loop, I'm going to iterate and obtain elements one by one up to n and multiply with f. Because if you consider 5 factorial, it can be obtained as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, so for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, because this is going to give you starting range comma less than end. Okay, so here we can write f is equal to f into I, and finally after computing factorial of the given number, you can return this result or return f. Okay, now I'll consider a number which I'm going to take as input. Okay, and here we can prompt the user to enter any value. Okay, so when you call this function by passing num as parameter, then it is going to return the result, which is a factorial result. So you have to store that inside a variable like res and call this function factorial function, and we'll pass num as parameter, and you can display the result. Okay, factorial result is, here we can display result res. Okay, now run this code and see the result. Enter any value. I am entering value as 5, so factorial result is 120. Okay, just like this. So this is clearly an iterative implementation of the function. Okay, now here I will also implement a recursive implementation of the same function. Okay, so let us suppose rfact is name of the function, recursive factorial. Okay, and whenever n value is equal to 0 or n double equal to 1, in that case we can return 1. This is the base case, because 0 factorial is 1 and 1 factorial is also 1. In the else block, we can write rfact of n. Okay, so basically in order to compute n factorial, it can be obtained as n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so we can write like this, return n into r fact of n minus 1. Okay, so let us take another variable here. Okay, r is equal to, I'm calling the function rfact function by passing num as parameter. Now let's display recursive fact result is equal to, okay, and that result is r. Okay, now let's run this code and see the result. Enter any value, input is 5, and you can see the result. Factorial result is 120 and recursive fact result is 120. So we got same answer, but implementation is different in each of this function. This is iterative implementation and this is a recursive implementation. Okay.